Welcome to X1T Gaming, and together we're going to revolutionize the gaming industry. So, I am actually having a little bit of trouble with my games right now. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to be looking for something that is used for editing. So, one of the things that I've noticed that I've seen, it was called, what was it called? I don't know what it's called. I saved it though. I saved it. So we need a thing to customize objects for our Pachinko. Don't worry, I have not given up on Unity entirely. I just have given up on trying to customize objects on that one. It's just becoming too much of a hassle. And I've been looking at some places, and they were saying that if you get this other app, then it will work better. It's kind of like 3D Studio Max, but it's free. And I forgot to save it. Did I forget to save it? Did I seriously? Let me. I had a link. And it was supposed to be saved, but I guess I just forgot. Can I find the link again? You know when you like go through your like scrolling feed? Oh yes, I found. I did save it. How come I didn't save? That's weird. Okay, so the thing is called Blender. There we go. Blender. So we're going to go find Blender. Let's do Blender 3D because it's just showing up blenders. Okay, blender.org, and I think we're going to be downloading this thing. Yeah. Okay, so this is the thing that I found. Is this thing right here? Apparently, they're saying that it's free, and what free software never looked this awesome. Yeah, and so you could do 3D animation and stuff like that. Yeah, so I'm a little bit excited. Ooh, you could script and code too. Maybe I'll give up Unity entirely if I could actually make Pachinko on this. No. Do I want to? Do I want to? Maybe. I don't know. I don't think so. So animation and rigging, grease pencil. What? Let's just look at this a little bit. I guess this is free advertisement for them. No, I do not get paid by them. Okay. Wow, so this is definitely a project that, let's see, modeling. Wow, this is like super, wow, some of the stuff, that's pretty good. Yeah, so I'm definitely not going to be doing stuff like this at first, or doing something like this. I'm going to have to like definitely work on it. Grease pencil. Oh, that's pretty cool. So if I actually have one of those pens that write, I could probably use that to draw. And then we could do animations. Yeah, and I've got stuff from Blender before. Like if you guys looked at my other projects, or like the my other game, the Zen Rock Garden, that actually had something from Blender. So someone put it up there. It was for free. It was probably something that they did for fun. And oh, scripting. Okay, sculpting. Yeah, like this. This is amazing art. This is really good. Oh, what? Oh, I can't click on them. It was so good. I thought you could click to see different variations. Oh, that's so funny. Okay. So, yeah, this is going to take a while to learn. I am not. Here, let me just download it. Give me a second. Give me a second here. Okay. Yes. Save. Okay. So, I guess we're just going to talk here today. It's just going to be. I should have probably downloaded this before. It says 3 minutes left. Oh, maybe. Um, yeah, so we'll look at some breathtaking. You are breathtaking. Yes. If you guys want to support, then absolutely learn the basics. Weekly live streams.
Hello everyone and welcome to Blender. Blender is a fantastic open source software that is mostly known for its 3D animation and modeling capabilities.
Wow.
It's a very powerful software that's been used in feature films, games, TV series, and a bunch of other amazing projects such as the ones you see here. But it can also do much more than that. Video editing, compositing, painting, sculpting, visual effects, cloth simulation, particle simulation, fluid and smoke simulations, 3D printing, and as of recently, 2D animation and real-time rendering. So, if you want to learn about any of these, you've come to the right place.
Wow.
This video series will serve as an encyclopedia of sorts for the fundamentals of Blender. In the next few videos, I'll be going over certain topics that should be helpful for both beginners and veteran Blender users, especially with the recent update. So, I hope you find these videos helpful, and I'll see you all soon.
Well, we might
So how do we navigate Blender? This may seem intimidating at first.
Okay, so we're going to have to learn a new software called Blender as well as Unity. That's pretty interesting how you could do animations on it. Yeah. And you guys saw all that art. That was pretty intense. And it's open source, so it's not like it's free. I noticed that like this there's like new terminology now, but it's like whenever something is free, it has ads. And whenever something is open source, then it's like purely free. I don't know. We live in a crazy world where we just kind of like change words and their meanings. Like people say one thing, but it means another. It's kind of like the George Orwell book of what is it, 1984. If you haven't read it, read it. If you don't like reading, watch the movie. Okay, so they're doing a $6 per month support. Is what they're hoping for, which is not too bad. I might do that eventually one day. Yeah. Ooh, they got a store. So one of the things that's probably nice about this as well is that once I start creating objects on Blender for Unity specifically, I could sell them on the Unity App Store, or I could get them for free. But if I actually do this Pachinko one and I actually make it pretty nice. Oops. Oh, what's this Blender Studio? What did I click? Blender Studio. Okay, so it is done downloading. Let me go and open it up. Oh, I gotta install it now. I accept. We don't want it in that folder. Did I just? I thought I. Where did I just save it to? Sorry, guys. So I. Okay, so I have to create a new folder. New folder. If I can find it. Call it Blender. Sounds like Bender from Futurama. What the heck? Okay, I got it. I just created a new file. Did it not go through? Did it not save? Did I forget to save it? What the heck? Blender. Enter. Okay, there we go. Let's close this. And now let's go back to here. There we go. It saved this time. Okay. Alright, so now we're just installing. As you can see, slow computer, because this should not have anything to do with the internet right now. So I don't think we will actually do anything today. Just get all this stuff set up. I wonder if that like went out. My whole computer kind of like went blink. I wonder if you guys noticed. I should probably like, if something like that happens again, I should probably make like a weird face. And then go back to normal before I click the button. And then if it's in the video, then you guys, I'll know that you guys see it, and if it's not, then I know that you guys don't see it, and I can do whatever I want in that split second while it closes down. Okay. Where are we? Okay. I just installed it. I just clicked open. And for some reason it didn't open. Oh, but I do have it on the desktop. So double click. Okay, so we got it installed. Hopefully my computer does not die on me. It's got all this stuff. Okay, if I go right, left. Okay, English, shortcuts, Blender, good. Start with left, right, spacebar, play, tools, search. Do we need to like play, or can we just? Yeah, I wonder if you could do like actual coding with Blender. I wish they kind of also. Oh, it does change the background. So what's this? Select with left and right. What does that change? I don't see nothing. Oh, probably the. Okay, Use the right mouse click for selection and the left mouse click for actions. This works well primarily for keyboard and mouse devices. Yeah, no, we want a left click for stuff. Okay, and then we want the spacebar to play. Okay, open the pop-up toolbar when space is held and used as a modifier. Pressing the tools bringing binding key switches to it immediately. Dragging the cursor over to a tool releasing activates like a pie menu. Search. Play. Toggle animation playback. Do we want to do shift space for tools? You know what? We might as well do the play because it just says you got shift space. Oh, and this one's shift space for play. And this one is you lose both. Okay, what do we like? Do we like Blender Dark? I kind of like Blender Dark. Let's see Blender Light. Ooh, yeah. My eyes. Deep Gray. Deep Gray is good. Maya. Ooh. Minimal Dark. Modo. No. Print friendly. Ah. 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 No. Okay, so I like the deep gray. I like the dark, and I like the Maya. I might keep it in Maya. I like that blue tint. It doesn't hurt the eyes. Or do we just want to have it dark? Or deep gray? The thing that I'm worried about having it as a Maya is that I might have like a color issue because I might think something looks kind of good because it has this kind of like nice background tinge, but it's going to screw up if I were to use Unity because then I'll put it in and all of a sudden I have a different background. But then again, I could always change the background to however I want. I'm going to keep it Maya. I like it. Wait, do I like it? Am I in love with it? I might like deep gray better. Minimal dark. No. Oh, was it Modo? I think I might have liked. No, I didn't really like this one. I'm going to do Maya. But I feel like that blue's going to get annoying to me. I'm sorry I'm so indecisive. Yeah, let's do this one. Just do it. Just do it. Okay, so we got general, new file, getting started, manual, Blender website credits. Okay, video editing, VH, sculpting. Okay, open the default file. Doesn't save the current file. Open the default. Okay, all of them are open default file. Okay, so we don't want video editing. We don't need VFX. Do you want general? I'll probably just do general. Okay, so we got this to select. Right click is that. Middle click, and I go up and down like this, and then I can scroll. Okay, and then I got the move. No. Okay, so I have to do that for move. Is there move view? Hold control, no. Hold shift, no. Hold alt, nothing. Oh, that's the actual animation kind of thing. So you can make different scenes. I guess you want it to be the center of your attention. You don't need to do all that kind of stuff. Okay, so let's just play around with this for a little bit. We want to see the z-axis. We want to see it on the z-axis. We got the y and the x. It's going to be more of a 2D thing, but yes. And now we want to, let's see. Oh, okay, so these are actually in, they have degrees and they have meters. So scale to 1 right now. And what we wanted to do was I got to do the translate. I forgot to write it down. So 31 and 7 1/8 inches to centimeters. I'm going to write it down this time. So this one's going to be 81 centimeters by, there we go, 20 and a half. So 20.5, 52 by 52 centimeters. Okay, so now I did the calculator. So we'll do the x scale. We're going to do this one at, we want to do millimeters, right? So we just add a 0. 8, 1, 0. And then this one, we're going to do 5, 2. Oh wait, no, just 5. I didn't, okay. Oops. This one we want to be 81, and this one we want to be 52. Okay, so that is our thing. And then I looked at, I wanted the ocean code. Color code, ocean. Okay. Oh, this is ocean blue. I just wanted ocean color code. Okay, so we get this one. We're going to change the color. Okay, line art, custom properties. No. Line art. Motion path. Instances. Retaliations. Transform. So we got cube. View layer properties. Scene management. Okay, so we're just kind of having fun with this. I'll have to actually like learn this, but texture properties. Brush. Oh, no, we don't want that. Well, that's weird. Wait, transform. Supports grab, rotate, scale. Okay. So we will take a break for today. I'm going to have to learn how to do the colors. Oh, okay. Wait, no, we already learned that one. cube. What's this cube? Material. This is what we want. Booyah. Surface. Wow, they got so much stuff. Base color. Okay, so the hex is. Do I do number sign? I don't think I need number sign, but let's do it anyways. Number sign. 09 C 3 D B. What? Oh. 0 C 3 D B. How come it's not working? Okay, let me just copy and paste. Okay, so we got the blue. Well, I want to get this one thing and then we can go. Got two materials. Ugh. Okay. Just deleted the materials. Okay. Cube material preview. Wow, this is so. Add to carry set. Oh, sweet! So we could actually do put it to convert to a code. That's what we wanted in Unity that they didn't have is to change things into like a curve. But this I gotta figure out how to do. No, no, no. What the heck? Oh, is this the one that I need? There we go. Yeah, we're going to go for like an ocean kind of thing, and then we want to create another cube. New collection. No. Delete. Uh, how to create a new object? It's kind of fun learning with this thing. So this is where we want to. Okay, preview surface. Okay, good. I wonder if I should make my like X1T balls in here and see if it's going to make it just that much better. Okay. I could just duplicate it. Do I want to duplicate it? I don't want to duplicate it. I want to actually figure out how to create an object. File. New. We don't want new. Edit. Undo. Undo history. So layout. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, I guess this is for your characters or something like that. So you put them in here. I don't know. Oh, there's so much more to this. Add cube. Sweet. Okay, we want to go here, and here, and then let's bring it up a little bit. Okay, so we got this new cube. So it's in the layout. It's not in here. If I go back to modeling, it's there. Interesting. But I could do add a cube here too. Let's delete this one. Okay, modeling. Where is this one anyways? Because if I go layout, if I create a new cube and just kind of go like this, like that, yeah, it's right there. So we're going to rename this. How do we rename it? Rename. So this is going to be the what is it? The loop. I'm just going to call it Pachinko loop. Let's go loop. Or let's go Pachinko loop. Pachinko. Pachinko wall. Boom. We're going to rename this one. The ID. This one is going to be Pachinko backboard. backdrop. Okay, got Pachinko backdrop. So this one right here, how I wanted this one to be added to. Right, so it's going to be 2 centimeters thick, and then we're going to make the x-axis. Wait, if I go like one by one, does that make it an actual square? And if I make this one 82, or no, it was 52, and this one 81. Yeah, it's completely different. Hmm. Why is this one? This one's zeros as well. Transform, delta transform. That's so weird. Okay, but we have this move object. So it is. Oh, what the heck? Oh. Now I see. So if we. Oh. Okay, okay. Keep on going, keep on going. Is it going to go? It's not going to go. Exclude verticals. Split. Separate. Section. How come I can't move this one around? That's weird. Okay, well, whatever. That's it. I'm gonna have to play with it. I'm gonna have to learn how to do stuff. That's it for today. That was fun. You guys have a good one. I'm not even going to save this project. Um, but yeah, so we're going to try to make the pachinko machine through Blender rather than through Unity, and then hopefully the physics we can make it like a mesh, and then it will use the proper physics with like the rigid body and stuff like that in Unity, and that they'll interact pretty well. That's what I'm hoping for. The thing that I'm wondering is if we should make the pedal to the metal. We'll probably will make the object that spins separately in there as well, like have them like two separate game objects. Um, yeah, but I like that curve thing, so I'm going to try to curve it so it loops around into like a P shape, so that the pachinko could jump up and then it will spin, and then maybe we'll put like a block there so that it will hit the block, and then we got to do the pegs. So we're going to be doing Blender. I was hoping we could do this in Unity, but from what I've been searching for like 3 days, and it was just like people are saying like, yeah, if you want to just make something curved in Unity, you gotta like do all this stuff. And I did all this stuff, and the code didn't work. And then they're just all saying like, yeah, it's really complicated. Just use Blender. So now I got Blender. Okay, you guys have a good one, and I'll see you again tomorrow at